Hey guys, it's Irene. Today I'm going to be recreating this look, and dang, that looks really hard. I'll pull it off, it's fine. So I'm gonna put some eyeshadow on my eyes. I think I was gonna color it purple. Get purples going on the corners. And then I'm gonna smirk. And then, oh, lots of blue, because, you know, like, why have pink blush when you could have blue? Okay, I just add some more blue. It's sad boy hours right now. Just adding some highlight there. Nope. Okay, adding yellow to the corner or the inner corner of the eye. I don't, just, oh, okay, eyebrows on fleek. So just magically make your eyebrows bigger real quick, and then we're gonna add some eyeliner. Okay, looking cute. And then, now we're adding some good old lipstick. And then it's beautiful.